Pwede ba nating hingin sa The Hague na ibalik o pauwiin si Attorney Roque dito sa Pilipinas para maharap niya yung mga issues particularly sa Pogo?
Pwede naman. As a matter of fact, nagtataka tayo. I don't know if the government has already canceled or revoked his passport. Kasi pag gano'n, pag masabihan yung mga ibang bansa na yung passport mo, revoke na ng gobyerno, you become an undocumented alien sa kanila. And normally, under their immigration laws, unwanted alien ka doon. So, pauuwing ka sa pinanggalingan mo. But I don't know if they have done that. I don't know the reasons why they haven't done that. But if they want to, they can, so to speak, tighten the screws against Attorney Harry Roque para mapilitan siyang umuwi sa Pilipinas at harapin yung mga kasong nakabinbin laban sa kanila.